Hello everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So, I have here 4 different vehicles that I want to go over with you guys really quick and explain a little bit again about sizes. So what I did, I put here 10 scale, 7 scale, 6 scale, 5th scale. I did skip the 8 scale and I will explain why, because right now what I'm doing, I'm actually showing you kind of like those desert buggy style vehicles, not actually the regular buggy that will be like that. This is actually like a regular buggy. This is a desert buggy, so they design differently and they design with a suspension, so everything is a little bit different. So we're going to concentrate on those vehicles. So without any further ado, let's start. So when you look at the size of them, let's look for the front a little bit. You can see that the front wheel kind of like going to go like in a going up graph. So what's going on is this is, for example, the team LOSI lasernut. So it's the this is the tenacity lasernut. And what going on with this, it's a 10 scale. It's a really cool 10 scale, but it's a very big 10 scale. So this 10 scale is actually the size of an 8 scale buggy, and even a little bit bigger. And it's a great beginner actually desert buggy. 4-wheel drive, brushless electric. Now, when you jump to something a little bit bigger, I gone with with the fireteam, and the fireteam 6S is a 7 scale BLX system, and it's a really cool desert buggy. Again, that have an handbrake system on it, and I'm showing the top here so you can see the other vehicle that's a little bit bigger, and this is the 7th scale. Okay, 4-wheel drive, brushless electric, 6S. This will produce probably about like 60 miles an hour. Some people said that they got even to around 70. So it's really cool. Then when you jump to the next one, we are jumping to the 1/6 scale. And we're looking at the Super Rock Rey. We can see something that is a little bit smaller than the Fox truck from LOSI, but still it's a very big vehicle. And it's also 8S. It's not a 6S, it's a 8S. But the speed that you're going to get with this vehicle going to be approximately about 55 miles an hour to 60 miles an hour. And again, this is because of the size of the wheels. You can see this wheel size over here. So it's take a little bit more power to turn it. And actually the vehicle is a little bit heavier. It's more aluminum parts to it. And it's kind of designed to more like do jumping. And you can do with it jump, rock crawling. It will be actually great for rock crawler or rock bouncer, no problem at all. The real actually rock bouncer, real world, look like that. And again, this is an 8S, and the size different again is a little bit bigger than that, and this is a little bit bigger than that. Now let's jump here real quick, and we go in here to the team LOSI, the DBLX 2.0. Okay, so what we got here, it's the XL, so the extra large vehicle for that they have, and this is the Fox version of it with a Fox suspension system, and it's really cool. And this is also an 8S, so this is bigger than that, much bigger than that, but it's still also 8S. So this have a bigger, stronger motor in it, bigger, stronger, heavier suspension. Look at the shocks. How big are they? And again, price-wise, you're looking at a big jump. I'm going to go in a second about the jump in the prices. But what I want you to see right now is the drop. This is a 5th scale. This is a 6th scale. This is a 7th scale. And then we're gonna jump actually to a 10 scale. Again, we're skipping the 8 scale because there's not really an 8 scale buggy that's gonna be a desert buggy. There's only like kind of competition buggies that they're not gonna fit in this category. So I just want you guys to see all this, and then let's go over prices more or less. And again, prices, it's depend where you buy it, if there is any promotion running or whatever. This is about $1,200, and you need two 4S LiPo batteries since it's 8S. This is about $950 or $970, something like that. and you do need two 4S LiPo batteries to create an 8S. Here you're looking at $650, and you need two 3S batteries to make it 6S. Here the lasernut is actually 3 to 4S, and you need one battery for that, just so you know for the beginning. Now, hold a brushless system that's sold by most companies not coming with any kind of batteries or charger, and I highly recommend to get good batteries from the shop, not the one from the internet. Everybody thinks that they're saving some money on buying batteries from the internet, and the battery keep catching fire, burning their RC cars, and worse, burning their houses. So please pay attention, be very careful. This is a quick rundown about scales of those desert buggies. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. I will try to make more videos. We stopped doing a lot of videos because it's just like not worth the time anymore. We're doing it for you, the customers, but it seems to be that our videos going and used by YouTube for other purposes, like Chinese people actually copy our YouTube videos and using them to scam people, so I try not to do so much stuff. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and put a comment below and see if you like something. Say which car you like. Maybe you're going to get one for free, but if you're not going to do that and not put a comment, you're not going to get nothing. Don't forget to come and visit us in our shop. We got a lot of new cool stuff, and we are getting to ready to the summer this year. We're going to have a very good pricing on everything, and always come to the shop and talk to us if you need some discount on something. For sure we're going to work with you, but you have to come here. See you on my next video. Bye.